Alright, last question. A basketball player who is 2 meter tall is standing on the floor 8 meter from the basket here. So the height of the basket is 4 meter. If he shoots the ball at a 40-degree angle, so theta is 40 degree above the horizontal, at what initial speed must he throw so that it goes through the hoop without striking the backboard? Okay, so what we have the range, which is 8 meter, and then we have the height of the player, which is equal to 2 meter, and height of the basket, which is 4 meter. So the SY, the displacement in the Y component, is just di situ ka kita, no, it's gonna be from the basket here lah. So the SY component is actually just the displacement in the Y component is just this part here. So SY is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 meter lah. Okay, so that is the displacement in the Y component. And then what do we need to do first is we need to find the time. So why do we need to find the time? Because in the X and Y component, the only time that these two are connected to each other is the time. Okay, so the velocity will not be the same in the X and Y component. The only thing that will be the same is the time. So that's why we are looking for the time. So how do we look for the time? Is we can use XX UXT. Okay, so from here we know that for the U in the X component, it's gonna be U cos theta, which is U cos 40 degree lah. Okay, so we can just write U cos 40 degree. UY pun sama, you can just write U sin 40 degree. Okay, so that is the important bit in this part. So this is gonna be U cos 40 degree time, this is 8. So we let T to be equal to U cos 40 degree over 8 over U cos 40 degree. Okay, so from this time equation, we can substitute in this equation in the Y component. Okay, so we can use this for the Y component. Okay, so SY is 2, kita dapat sa tadi. UY is U sin 40 degree. T is 8 U cos 40 degree minus half G 8 U cos 40 degree. You have to square this. G is 9.81. Okay, so from here, kamu dapat jo kira ni, and rearrange lah. You have to rearrange satu-satu. Sine over cos patutnya dapat tangent kan. Kejap, let me just double check. Tangent is equal to sine over cos. Right everybody? I think so. Yes, betul. So I'm just gonna try to simplify this for you. So di sini kita boleh cancel lah U dengan U. So we have 8. If I'm not doing any careless mistake lah, kalau salah just let me know. Kan betul kan? So this is 8 over the whole thing juga lah. So this is gonna be 9.81 divided by 2. 9.81 divided by 2. 4.905. So 8 is 64. 64 U square cos 40 degree ni kamu akan square juga. Okay, so please rearrange this for U, and you should get the initial velocity to be equal to 10.65 meter per second. Okay, I hope you're able to understand so what's the most important thing from this question is you have to know that the time t is the only thing that connects x and y. I mean, that is the only thing that is constant in both x and y component. Alright, so that is the solution for question number 10.